Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go over how to upload a folder of files to Google Drive from a Mac computer. If you're just getting started with organizing your household's digital documents in Google Drive, uploading entire folders of files at one time will help you get your documents onto Google Drive much faster. Google Drive is a cloud storage service from Google, and it can be a great way for households to keep their digital documents safe, organized, and easily accessible. You'll need to be signed into your Google account to use Google Drive. If you don't have a Google account yet, I've left a link to Google's sign up page in the description. I'm using the Safari web browser for this demonstration. However, the process would be the same in other browsers. Uploading a folder to Google Drive on a Mac starts with navigating to drive.google.com in a web browser. If you're already signed in to another Google service, such as Gmail, another way to get to Google Drive is to click on the app selection button in the top right and select Drive. When you arrive at the Google Drive site, you may initially see a summary of your folders and files. If your Google Drive is new and completely empty, that's also okay. Before uploading, it's a good idea to go to the My Drives section. Google Drive organizes files like a file manager for computers. Folders allow you to group and organize files. In this example, I've already added some folders to categorize the household documents I'm storing in Google Drive. If you want to create a parent folder to store the folders you plan to upload, it's easy to make a new one. Use the New button in the top left, select New Folder, and give the folder a name. For this demonstration, I'll be uploading folders of documents from a utility provider, so I'll call the folder Utilities and click Create. The folder is created alongside the other folders I already have. Folders can be created within other folders, allowing for deep levels of organization. Since I want to upload files into the Utilities folder I just created, I navigate into the folder by double-clicking on it. Now I'm ready to upload. I'll demonstrate two easy ways to upload folders to Google Drive. The first way is to go to the New button in the upper left and choose Folder Upload. A selection box will open, allowing a folder to be chosen for upload. You can choose a folder from any location on your Mac, including from any external storage locations or storage services you have connected. For this demonstration, I'm going to upload a folder from my demo folder. Here's a great tip. If you're unsure which folder you want to upload from the selection window, you can peek at a folder's information to get some further information about the folder. Simply select the folder and press the spacebar. A pop-up containing additional information will open. Press the spacebar again to continue. When a folder is selected for upload, it's not just the folder itself that will get uploaded to Google. It's the folder plus all the files and subfolders it contains that will be uploaded. Once you've chosen the folder you want to upload, just click Upload and uploading will start. It's important to know that when you upload a folder to Google Drive, it and all the files and folders it contains will still be on your computer. Google Drive creates distinct copies of all that you upload, and those copies will remain on Google Drive until they are deleted, even if the original files and folders in your computer are lost. This is one reason cloud storage or any additional storage location can be so useful when planning storage for household documents. If folders and files are stored in two storage locations, they will continue to be available even if one storage location is lost or becomes inoperable. If you're interested in improving the storage and organization of the documents and files in your household, see the description for a link to some detailed course material on how to do that. Now, I said I would show two easy ways to upload folders to Google Drive, so here's the second way. You can also upload folders to Google Drive by dragging them directly from your Mac's Finder application. If you have a lot of folders to upload, this approach might be easier for you. First, open up the Finder application and browse to the location you want to upload folders from. As before, the spacebar can be used to preview folder details. Make sure you've positioned the Finder window so that the Google Drive page is also visible, either behind the Finder window or elsewhere on your screen. Now, select the folders you want to upload. Unlike in the first method, multiple folders can be selected for upload at the same time. Multiple folders can be selected by dragging the cursor to select a range of folders that appear in consecutive rows. Another way to select a range of folders is to select the first folder in a desired range, hold the Shift key, then select the last folder in a desired range before releasing the Shift key. For even greater flexibility, multiple individual folders can be selected by holding the Command key while selecting. Here's another important thing to note. When selecting folders to upload in this manner, it's also possible to include files in your selection. Multiple files and folders can be selected for upload. When your selection is ready, drag and drop the selected files and folders into the Google Drive page in your browser window. Uploading will then start. I can see what I've uploaded alongside the folder I uploaded previously using the first method. And that's it. The folders and files I uploaded are now in Google Drive, and I can access them there from many different types of browsers and devices. Anytime I need to view or download these items, I can return to Google Drive to access them. I hope you found this quick overview of how to upload folders to Google Drive helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, see the description below for more information on the topics covered. Thanks for watching.